Hi everybody, it's Andrew from Cantonese Food Recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make my easy, delicious Cantonese hamburger. I'm sure everyone has their own ways of making their hamburgers, but today I'll be showing you my method of how I make some delicious hamburgers for lunch. So let me show you what ingredients I have now. So over here, I have cut up a few leaves of lettuce, and I have drizzled some sweet chili sauce and added 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and mixed it up. And then here I've got 600 grams of minced meat. You can make about 4 burgers, but today I'll be making 2 burgers, and I'll show you guys how to marinate it just now. I've got 2 slices of cheese, and I'm also going to fry some eggs to put in my burger, and of course we have some hamburger buns. I know most of the recipes online they put butter and then they pan fry it, but I won't do that. I'm just gonna put the hamburger meat inside the bun. So let's begin. Let me show you guys how to marinate the minced meat. Okay guys, let's marinate our minced meat. So first we're going to sprinkle some salt all around it. Then we are going to also sprinkle some white pepper. Then we are going to add in half a teaspoon of chicken powder. Then we're going to drizzle some Chinese rice wine. Then also gonna drizzle some sesame oil. So going to drizzle some oyster sauce. Then also drizzle some soy sauce. Then also add in a bit of olive oil. Okay. Now we're going to mix this up with a glove, and then we'll add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, once you have mixed it, we can add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This will help give the burger a little crispiness once we fry them in the pan. And then we can continue to mix it up again. Okay, it's ready. It's time to pan fry the burgers now. Okay guys, let's fry our hamburger patties. So first you have to preheat the pan and make sure it's very hot. Now I have decreased the temperature. Now just add in some olive oil all around. Okay. I'll just drizzle the oil all around the pan, or else it will stick. The meat will stick to the pan if you don't do this. Okay, let's put in our patties. So let's just tune up the heat a little bit more so that it doesn't stick. So here I got a tablespoon, and I'm just gonna separate it in half to make 2 patties. Just gonna make it around like this. Put one here first. Make this around as well. Put one as well. The next thing you want to do is just use the tablespoon at the base, and you just flatten it to the size that you desire for your bun. Make sure you do this while the heat is high, or else it will stick to the pan. Yeah. Okay, this size looks good for me. And just let it pan fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, then we can flip it around. Oil around like this. Okay, it has been 3 minutes. Let's flip the patty around. Look at that. Okay, let it pan fry for 2 to 3 minutes. We need to flip it around again. Okay guys, let's flip the meat around again. Check that out. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna do this for another 2 minutes. Flip it around and it should be ready, guys. Okay guys, once it's ready, we can start making our burgers. So let's cut our buns here. These are fresh from the bakery. Let's do this. Can't wait to eat my delicious burgers. So first I'm gonna put in my lettuce. Check out this lettuce that's already been soaked up with that sauces and that sweet chili sauce and mayonnaise. Next, we can add in our hamburgers. Let's put in our patties here. Wow, look at how beautiful that is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, check that out. Oh yeah. Then, we're gonna add in a slice of cheese. Place that on top. Then I'm gonna add in some delicious eggs that I just pan fried as well. It's just 2 eggs. Okay. This will be a filling meal. Okay guys, it's time to try my delicious Cantonese hamburgers. Let's see. Wow, so juicy. Check that out. Wow, look at that. Oh yeah. Let's give this a good bite. Damn. So good and tasty. Imagine there was some chips here. I should have made some chips, but these are packed with calories. Well, guys, if you like my recipe, please give me a thumbs up. If you want me to make other recipes, please comment down below on this video. Well, thanks guys for watching. Bye bye. See you guys next time.